There's a great deal of excitement in the trial of a lawsuit and the preparation of a lawsuit. It's exhilarating, and that's why I became a trial lawyer. The types of law that our firm practices, basically civil trial practice. We do appeals, we do commercial litigation, and we do divorce cases. To be a good trial lawyer, you have to be ruthless, you have to be fearless, you have to be aggressive, but at the same time temperate with an understanding of who your client is and who your audience is, whether it be a judge or a jury. And you can't be afraid when you have someone's money's at stake, when someone's life is at stake, when someone's liberty's at stake. You've got to be passionate about it.
As a litigator, I would describe him as someone who is ferocious, unafraid, not afraid to take risks, a strategist, and also a very noble person because he loves the law and respects the law. It's a perfect combination.
You know, I've been very fortunate in the types of clients that I've had. I've represented the top lawyers, the top doctors in our community. I've represented the best criminal lawyers, the best civil lawyers in the community and all over the state. I've represented some of the great athletes of America, a lot of the celebrities and movie stars and TV personalities. And we've represented heads of insurance companies, heads of hospital groups, CFOs, presidents, CEOs of major corporations. And we've represented a lot of the very interesting people from South America, Central America, the Caribbean, Asia, and Europe.
As an attorney, AJ has had a great reputation over many years. His reputation has been so tremendously powerful and successful for him that it has taken him all over the state and other places to litigate huge, complicated cases that nobody else could have handled as he could.
As a strategist, I would describe him pretty much like a general or one of these military people we write about, when we read about, who is not afraid of taking a risk in creating their own strategy as opposed to doing what somebody else did before.
With regard to prenuptial agreements, AJ has been involved in many litigation cases where prenuptial agreements have been invalidated. He has a knack for understanding the law that goes into satisfying the requirements for a prenup, and he has a knack for determining what requirements have not been met.
He does everything that is necessary for the benefit of his client, so that if the other side are jerks and put up a field of thumbtacks and make him jump over hurdles, he'll do that for his client. And most often, at least when I'm testifying, the opposing spouse, the bully, ends up having to pay for AJ's time.
I have such a desire to win and such a fear of losing, and that combination propels me to spend nights thinking about cases.
AJ outprepares his opponents in so many ways. He conquers them initially. He breaks them down. I mean, the first deposition, he's already going at it, and you can just see how he's going to wear them down little by little.
You know, the passion comes from belief in the system. It comes from belief in your clients. It comes from a desire to win, the competitiveness, the combat of litigation.
He is an icon. He's the standard that everybody aspires to be in an attorney.
I live, sleep, eat, breathe litigation. I love the trial. I love the excitement of being in trial. And I don't think I'm ever going to get tired of it.